Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you're all well. So in this video I'm actually packing to go on holiday, and I'm going to show you guys some tips and tricks that I use to pack everything into my suitcase because I had a lot of things. So here I'm just starting by unpacking my suitcase because I put everything inside my suitcase before I actually packed them properly, so I knew what I had. So here I'm just unpacking all the items so I can start, packing everything neatly. Here's the empty suitcase and my little bro because he decided that he wanted to help me pack as well. So to start off packing, I added all the shoes that I was taking with me into the suitcase before any clothes. I then went ahead and added all the little toiletries and the little, bits and bobs that I needed, including underwear, because they're so small. You can easily tuck them in your shoes and in small areas, and that's a really good tip because we're really trying to save space here and we want to bring everything with us. So yeah, it's a good trick. You just put the underwear, toiletries, makeup remover wipes inside your shoes and you're good. After that, I rolled the clothing items that I was taking with me, and the thing is, because it's a beach holiday and you guys saw my previous hauls of the clothes that I'm taking with me, then you know that I have a lot of light clothing items such as crop tops, mini skirts, batty riders, things like that, so they're not heavy and they're quite small. So yeah, it's easy to pack. You just roll them and tuck them in between the shoes that we packed already. Makeup are going on my hand luggage, right? Actually, I put my foundation in
makeup not for going on.
My foundation in here, and my two concealer and my contour in here. That's why I need to sort out what brush. And
where are we with this?
That black heel.
Yeah, black heel in there already.
Yeah, and one top.
Tashika,
oh!
Continue, up.
Mommy, we're supposed to sort out the outfit.
Yeah, but they can't start again.
I have a list of them already. Of what I'm wearing together, so you can pack them.
Hold on. Oh, we pack them and clothes already. I pack in the tash. The two skirt already in there.
Here you see me filling my bum bag with makeup remover pads. So yeah, like as I said, you need to use up all the space possible. So we need to literally stuff everything that we need inside of small areas, bags, etc, etc. And then for some reason my little brother decided that he wanted to help me pack by adding my socks into the suitcase. How helpful of him. He's so cute. Look at him. And then he decided to take them out of the suitcase again. I don't know what his problem is. So here I'm literally trying to sort out what makeup I want to bring and how I'm going to fit them. So I got this little makeup bag and I decided to use that to put my makeup inside. And after hours of carefully packing the suitcase, we finally finished. And to make sure it was the right weight, I had to make sure that I weighed the suitcase, and it was literally 19.5 kg and my allowance is 20 kg. So yeah, if you're traveling, make sure you invest in a travel scale because it will save your life. So this is the suitcase. It's fully packed now and it's just about 20 kg. I think it's about 19 kg. I just weighed it.